I wanted to give you my review on this rolling shop stool that I purchased. It's got a lot of good quality features, but it also has a few that I can't stand. So build quality, good solid frame. This can handle like 330 pounds, so you got that going for it. It rolls really easy, 360, non-marring wheels, plastic storage tray on the bottom. It's got this metal grid right here. I mean, it gives a lot more strength, but I'm not quite sure what the purpose of it is. You can't really set anything on it because it just falls through. Hydraulic boost for the seat. It works inconsistently. The seat spins great. What I don't like about the seat is it's not soft. It's not comfortable at all. For a skinny guy, it's not comfortable. The assemble is a piece of cake. Takes like 5 minutes to put this thing together. Get this cup holder, tool tray. It's got some slots in it. You know, it's just basically in the way. The way it just sits out here. If you're going to spin, you're going to hit it with your legs, and it's going to fly off. So either you got to screw it in from the top and mount it permanently, and then have it in the way of your legs. It's your choice. It's handy. It's not handy. The other problem I have with it is it only goes down to about 24 inches low. Now I'm working on a lot of low stuff. That's too high for me. It'll go all the way up to about 30 inches. So depending on what you're doing, it might work for you. So I'm just kind of pointing out all the different things. This is going to be an ideal rolling stool for some people, and for others, maybe not.